Good day, everybody. This is Jerry from BSK Garage. In today's video, we're going to look at and unbox the Olight SEEKER 3 that has a throw of 220 meters and a maximum of 3,500 lumens. So let's go over some of the features that says on the back of the box. High performance. New set of 4 high-performance LEDs producing max 3,500 lumens with a throw of 220 meters. New body design. Bamboo-like finger grooves give it a refreshing look and ergonomic grip. Faster charging. 21,700 battery supports 2 amp charging with the MCC3 USB magnetic charging cable. Obvious battery indicator. 3-color battery indicator at the center of the switch displays battery level in real time. Rugged build, made of aerospace grade aluminum alloy and is able to handle occasional water immersion and hard impacts. As with pretty much all Olight flashlights, when you first get them, you got to remove the protective film that's on the battery and make sure it's fully charged before you take it out and use it. So let's have a close look at it now that I got it unboxed with all the little accessories. This is a very sharp looking flashlight. Now what I do notice is difference is that there is no proximity sensor in the front, so it will not dim down when you get close to an object. However, that does not matter to me too much, but I'm just kind of playing with it in the garage because there's a little bit of battery life in it. And here's a close look at the 4 LED high performance lights, the switch, ergonomic grip, the magnetic tail cap, charging. Let's have a look and see what kind of light this puts out. So right now I'm just in the backyard having a fire, and I'm just going to play with the switches between low, medium, and high. I think I put on turbo once too, but I did not get it into the moon. But I'm just kind of getting the feel of it to see how it works, how it feels, before I take it out in the back alley and really give it a good shine and see how it's going to perform. Just in my back alley, it's kind of dark out. This would be the SEEKER 3's lowest setting. And then that's a little bit brighter. One more should be, whoops. Let's try this again. So that's the lowest. I can't see my Jeep. That's medium. And that's high. I'm gonna turn it off. Double click it twice. And that is turbo. Right there. And turbo is pretty darn bright. Cameras can never really show what it's really like. Get back here. Whoops. But I'm gonna say between the SEEKER 3, this is what I'm using, and the SEEKER 3 Pro, I actually prefer the SEEKER 3 Pro myself. I just like the light it puts out better. But this light is actually pretty good too. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you guys in the next one.